In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into Polymarket. Whether you want to use crypto, an exchange, or a card, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Let's walk through the steps together. Let's get started. First, go to polymarket.com and sign into your account. You can use your wallet like MetaMask to connect, or sign in using your email or social options. Then, on the homepage, click the Deposit button located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens up all your funding options. Next, choose your preferred method to pay your deposit. Polymarket offers three options: transfer crypto, connect exchange, or use card. For this video, we'll choose transfer crypto. This is the fastest and most common method. Now, you can select the crypto you want to use, like USDC or ETH. After selecting, Polymarket will generate a QR code and wallet address. Simply scan the QR code or copy the wallet address to send your crypto. And that's how to deposit money into Polymarket. It's quick, secure, and gives you multiple payment methods to choose from. If this helped, like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more crypto tutorials. See you next time!